guys, how are you all doing? So this is going to be a little bit of the different day in a life video. This is my weekend vlog, and welcome to Kiddos Corral. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you along on my journey. So today is actually Tuesday morning, and I have been up, I showered, I got dressed. I am going out with a friend of mine to go thrift shopping today, which I am very much so looking forward to. But I wanted to finish off my vlog because there wasn't a lot of footage, but I thought, you know what, I might film it this way and see how you guys like it. So let's see, I started filming on Saturday. I got up, got ready, and I went out with Dylan, and we went to the Ugly Mug. If you guys have never been to an Ugly Mug coffee shop, I highly suggest you go and try them out. Their coffee is divine. Their little cafes, their little stores, they are so cute. They are full of all kinds of mugs on the walls. They even have a Star Wars section, which I absolutely love because there's a porg cup. You guys know, if you guys have been following me, I collect porgs. I know, it's crazy. But anyhow, yeah, they have wonderful, you know, muffins, bagels, you name it. It is, and the coffee is always fresh. And I got a skinny vanilla latte iced, and it was really good, really good. Then I went to Nordstrom, and I had a little bit of a walkthrough in the store, and I have to say, because a lot of items are on sale, the store was very swamped with people. So I didn't do any filming in there, but, and I didn't buy anything. I didn't find anything, but I did enjoy having a little rummage around and walking through Nordstrom. Then we took a little drive through town, and it was a very beautiful day. The grand opening of Trader Joe's. I had never been to a Trader Joe's, and it was packed. Once again, no filming in that store because there was just wall-to-wall people, and the way that I described it to my friends was, it was buggy to butt through the whole entire store. But I did see some items that I do want to go back and purchase and try out for you guys. They had a lot of different items, different food items that I have never seen before. And you know me, I like to try things like that. So I will definitely be hitting up that store again. Then once we realized that everybody was at Trader Joe's, we went across the street to Whole Food where nobody was. And we got a slice of pizza for lunch. I love the whole wheat pizza over there. They make it fresh. I just got the cheese. It is really good. I also got an apple juice to drink. I love walking through Whole Food and checking out their stuff in there as well. I don't know why I enjoy that so much, but I do. I guess it's because I love to bake and love to cook and love to find things that I can use. And yeah, I had a nice time there eating lunch with Dylan. He actually did not have a slice of pizza. He actually had a ham and Swiss sandwich, and it was on their homemade Jewish rye bread, and it looked really amazing as well. Well, we left there, and I came home, and of course, didn't do much else. But on Sunday, I got up, I got dressed. Hopefully I get up in the morning and get dressed, right guys? So I got up, I got dressed, and I went with my friend Helen, and we went to church. And I did get a little bit of clip of our worship team, and I will put it right here. His love is mighty, and so much stronger. The King of glory, the King above all kings. He shakes the whole earth with holy thunder, and leaves us breathless in awe and wonder. The King of glory, the King above all kings. This is amazing grace. This is a very love. They are amazing singers. They are very talented. I feel very blessed to go to church and to be able to sit and listen to that. the person that you are hearing singing is Justin Hill, and if you are ever in the Olive Branch, Mississippi area, I really encourage you guys to come and visit the Outpouring Church. I promise you will be blessed. Then once we left the church, we were starving. So me and Helen and another friend, we got a table at the Casa Mexicana, and we got steak burritos, and I got guacamole on the side. I'm obsessed with guacamole. I cannot stay out of it here recently, but it was very delicious. Had an ice water, had a very nice girl powwow time, which is really healthy for any woman to kind of hang with the girls a little bit. And so that was my day, and you won't believe this, but I came home, and a very rarity for me, if you are familiar with me, I took a nap. And I did not wake up till pretty late, but apparently I needed it. So there wasn't much filming this weekend, but I did want to come on here and share with you guys the footage that I did have. A lot of you have asked me, am I doing any more day in life videos? Of course I am. I will always continue to do so. And I just want to say I appreciate all of your positive feedback. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and showing Kiddos Corral support. And I also want to give a shout out to a friend of mine, Ronnie. His name is Ronnie Kinser. He is a great friend of mine from Romany School for the Blind. He has a page over on Facebook. If you enjoy Christian singing, or just enjoy music in general, I really highly suggest you go over and like his page. I will leave a link in the bottom in the description box for you guys to check out Ronnie Kinser's page. So, I hope you guys are doing excellent today. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I'm going to get on with my day and go thrifting. So wish me luck. I hope I find some great items out there. Especially if I can find clothing, I'm really happy. So I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye guys, love you.